I will add, this is not the way you should stud your tires. I found a very old box of Super Track ice racing studs. I can't remember the last time I bought these. I think it was when I had the Honda 300, which you guys never even seen. It was before I had the Kodiak 400, which you guys never even seen, because I didn't have a YouTube channel back then. Anyway, I found probably 50 or nah, I'd say about 60 or 70 of these guys here. Focus. Focus. There. So they got a hardened head on them and a coarse thread. 1/2 inch long. Anyway, I got like a mohawk thing going on here where I got all the center lugs done up. And the rear, it's kind of like every second center lug, and then there's some stuff on the side. It's like a BOGO sort thing going on here with the studs, but at least I got something, because the run that we're going to be coming up next weekend, it is this weekend, sorry, January 25th, something like that, the Chester Fish and Chip Rally. Anyway, that is known to be icy, and even on their poster they say to stud your tires. Tire studs recommended, or chains. I don't like running chains. At least I got something. So, who knows? I could lose all these studs as soon as I pull it on the trailer. I have no idea. But at least I got something. So, anyway, short, stupid video for you guys. We'll see you guys in the next run. Thanks for joining me.